it's your girl Tisha Monique back again, and today dolls I wanted to share with you some things that I have picked up here lately. So if you're interested in seeing what I've hauled, then just stay tuned. Okay dolls, so girl has been doing a little shopping, so I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up here recently. I have a big bag here from none other than Sephora. What else is new? Chanel clock. And then I also have some things that I picked up, well, one item, not some things girl, one item that I picked up from Loewe. So let me start with, in no specific order, but I'll start with the Sephora haul since I have the most products from there, and then we will move on. One thing that I certainly think that you should definitely do is to treat yourself. Whether it's something big or something small, set your goal, set your budget to the side each week, each month, or however you can. And then that way you have something to look forward to, and you can pick up some things that you may have been wanting to get your hands on. That way you always have some things you look forward to purchasing. I have picked up some things from Sephora. One thing that I picked up was that I re-upped on the Laneige lip mask, the lip sleeping mask, but I wear it not just at nighttime. These are excellent masks. If you haven't got your hands on it, I highly recommend Laneige products to try because they're really fantastic and they have a great price point. I think this one was like $22 or $23. It lasts a really long time. I have one that I picked up at Christmas time, I believe, or around the holidays, and I put it on every single night before bed as part of my skincare routine, and I still have a lot of product left in there, and it was just the $20 like I was saying, but it works fantastic. I really like my last one, so I wanted to get another one just to have on hand and to re-up on it. It comes with this little spatula that you can use for applying it. They're from their line in my collection, and when I saw that they have some trial sizes, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. It kind of looks like a perfume sprayer. It's how it looks. I hadn't tried it, so I don't know the fragrance or anything. It's a very light mist. Okay, it's got sort of a fragrance to it. It's a refreshing, hydrating spray under or over makeup. So carrying this with me just to touch up because of the size is so nice, so small and compact. Or I would even see myself putting this like in my nighttime routine or in my nightstand by my bed just to kind of hydrate before bed, or if I'm reading and then I'm getting ready to turn the lights on and go to bed, I could do a quick little spritz. It's got like an aloe, algae kind of smell, but I think it's really nice. I'm definitely excited to give this a try, and I'll let you dolls know how I like it. I have been wanting to try a product from Tasha, which I haven't so far. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and this is just the trial size. So looking at my receipt, this one was $22, which I think is an excellent price point. I've been wanting to try the line, but I didn't want to splurge on one of the, you know, like the moisturizers and stuff that are a little more pricey, not knowing if I would like it or not, but I love it. Today on the body, I am wearing these jewels. I got these off of Amazon. I've had them a while. I absolutely love the way that they look. They come in different lengths, but they do come in a set of two. As you can see, one has like a heart pattern, the other one is a square. And then I have them paired with my Chanel earrings. They're so beautiful at night. They really do shine. Like out in the evenings for dinner, nighttime kind of spot where the lighting is low, then just the glimmer off of all of the jewels and stuff. It just looks really, really nice. As far as the necklaces are concerned, this top, I believe it's from Zara, so I'll definitely link that as well, is ColourPop. This is the Ultra Matte Lip, and I did pair it today with the Glow Reviver Lip Oil from e.l.f. I think it's such a gorgeous pair. If you don't like a super matte lip, then you can definitely put a little gloss over it. I think it gave the tone of the lip a little bit of a little tint on it because the e.l.f. has its own color as well. So the mix of these two is what you're seeing here today. But let's get back into the haul. I did get the Necessaire body wash. I have been wanting to try this so bad. And this one is the one that's the Santal fragrance. And oh my God, I was so excited when I saw that they had it in stock in store, because it seems like every time I wanted it, I'd only see the little travel sizes. Full size in stock. I was so excited about this. This one was $25, which I think is not bad for a shower gel, because I've definitely spent more on shower gels like the Way, the Salt and Stone, and some different ones. So $25, and the size on this, a lot for your buck. And I love the packaging. I think it's so aesthetic. This one is 5% Epsom salt. The skin, okay. Oh yeah. Oh my God, this smells so good. I haven't smelled it in a while, but I think that santal in anything tends to just really elevate the smell, the vibe, the fragrance, and just how you feel when you are doing your products. I think you have to connect with scents that make you feel elevated and that really give vibes for you, so that when you're taking your shower, when you're doing your bath time and stuff, that you have some things around you that help with your mood, they help you with your experiences and stuff. So life is all about experiences. I'm all about experiences, and this is an experience. The product that I had to re-up on from Sephora was the Summer Friday. This is my one of my absolute favorite lip balms. This is a lip butter balm in the fragrance vanilla. These have a little tint to them. They have a little fragrance to them. So you have to find your perfect match. For me, it has been the vanilla scent, which is a clear lip balm. But it's just something about this lip balm, you guys, that is so fantastic. Like, it's the perfect moisturizer. It's the perfect amount of oil, the perfect amount of balm. It's not sticky. It can be worn alone just as a balm. I also wear this with lip liner as a gloss, and it just works so amazing. 24, which I think is well worth it. The ones that I have, they last so long. The fragrance is subtle enough that it's not obnoxious. It's not distracting when you are wearing it. It's just the perfect combination in terms of something on the lips. So I'm so excited about this, and I have a couple of these now, but I want to just kind of grab one whenever I'm in Sephora so that I'm not running out of them, but also so that I can kind of have them strategically placed throughout my life, like by my bedside, in my restroom at night for, you know, adding at nighttime, or before I go to bed, in my nightstand, and then in my purses and stuff. It's kind of floating around. I have one in my desk. So obsessive? I don't think so. I think it's just one of my favorites, and I absolutely love this product. They did give a little jet lag mask sample, which I think is so cool. I hadn't seen that inside of one before, but I do have the jet lag, a small travel version. And that's another key, is just to always, if you want to try something out, you're not sure about it, you don't want to spend a bunch of money on a product that you're not sure about, then just get a trial size. Get the sample size, get the travel sizes, and they're cheaper. Now, the last thing that I did pick up from Sephora on this run was what I really went into the store for. Like, girl, whenever I go into Sephora, it's like I'm really going for like one or two things, unless it's the Sephora sale where I'm racking up. But I end up with more than I went for. It's the Huda Beauty, the Baby Bake. This is the setting powder. And I have been hearing so much about this one in particular, the travel size. Now, the travel size is supposed to have an applicator brush on it that is top tier when it comes to applying your makeup. I did opt to get the pink one, which is the Cherry Blossom Cake, which I really love pink on deeper skin tones. One size setting powder in the pink, and it's so pretty. I'm wearing it today. It's translucent, but it just adds a little softness in the skin that I absolutely adore. Absolutely adore. It's just so pretty. The deep skin tone, and then just putting that pink in there, it just kind of brightens, but in a natural yet sharp, crisp kind of way. I can't explain it, girl. You just got to try it for yourself. This is it here. Zip open the top, twist it up, and then it's got this little applicator that is like a little sponge, a little puff. So this is on the go, like meant for travel, if you're out and about, or for touching up. And it's got a little sifter inside, so you remove the little sifter, the sticker off of there, and then you tap, 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 and then you just press the powder in. But this is supposed to be life-changing in terms of the application, so I cannot wait to try that for under eyes and then my highlighted areas on my face. I'm so excited about this. This is fantastic, and I cannot wait to try it. It's so stinking cute. So let's move on to Chanel, shall we? Okay, dolls, now the next package that I got, as you can see, was from Chanel. Hello. Absolutely been loving to shop with Chanel lately. I've been into their skincare, as you dolls have seen. I hauled Chanel skincare. I'll insert that video so that you dolls can check it out if you haven't seen it. But there were a couple of items that I saw while I was in the store that time that I said I was definitely going back to pick up, and this is one of them. It's like this super cute little package. I love this. If not for the packaging, not for anything else. But here, you dolls, I just picked up the Chanel lip balm. So excited about this. I have been wanting this lip balm for the longest. It's from the same skincare line with Chanel that I picked up the skincare from. This would be so nice just for on the go, for in my purse, just for use. Like elevated, but I thought that the product itself is really nice. It's like $45, I believe. So the lip balm looks like that. I think this will be so nice for travel. I do the whole skincare that I purchased from them. Now I have the lip balm that can go with my skincare products. So I'll be putting this in my bathroom. And then I also did get a free product with them, which I think is actually really nice as well. I did open this up previously just to see what it was out of curiosity, but it's the #1 Chanel is what it says. And then when you come in here, it has these little puffs which are reusable. It's in this little carrying bag. Here it's got these little cleaning pads that you can use with your skincare. They're washable, they're reusable, and I think they're so nice. So I thought that this was a really nice gift with purchase, and it has the Chanel logo and stuff on there. So I think these would be really great for travel or for my skincare days after I've thoroughly cleansed, because you know, deep skin, darker makeup, I don't want to get them stained up. If you know, you know. I think that these would be great like after I've taken off all the products and stuff, to use with like toners maybe, or for refreshing in the mornings and stuff. So I was super excited about that. I thought that was a really great gift with a purchase. And okay, dolls, I have one more product to share with y'all, and this is one that I picked up that was definitely a splurge and that I have been wanting for a while. I actually have been wanting the blue jean version of this, but I actually thought that I would get more wear out of the beige or khaki. But I kind of regret not getting the blue jean one, but that's not to say that I may not purchase it again or later. What I'm speaking of is the Loewe, is the fishing hat, and this is in the color khaki. I'll put all the details of it. I was so obsessed with this hat. I kept seeing it popping up, and I thought it would be so cute. I did like the blue jean one better with the frayed edge all around, but I thought the beige one would be cute. Now I hope I don't mess up my hair, but I think it is so cute. I love the big Loewe leather plate on the front. I thought it would be cute for summer, just like for brunch and different stuff. I mean, don't look at the outfit that I'm wearing it with today, because it's definitely not a match. But I really like the fisherman strings hanging down with the Loewe print on it. I think it is so, so cute, the look of it. So that was my splurge for sure this summer, my summer accessory or add-on. But I think it's so stinking cute. And I've worn this to the beach. I'm kind of trying to feel the vibes with it, because I think it's all about the hairstyle too and how you accessorize it. But I think it's like understated, like it's a fisherman hat, but it's elevated. It's like, if you know, you know. You know, if you wanted to get something from the Loewe collection or any of the fashion houses, you could definitely start with a hat or an accessory, sunglasses, a fragrance, a candle, and get a feel for the brand and have something from the brand. You just have to know how to pivot, how to maneuver, and how to do things in an elevated way without breaking the bank, if that's what you're going for. So that brings us to the end of the video. I just wanted to share with you guys some things that I picked up recently, and just wanted to share them with you guys, share the vibes, share the love. So be sure to like, comment, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you dolls in the next one. Cheers to you, and bye.